Right now, as you cruise at 35,000 feet, you aren't alone. There is a second, invisible plane flying right beside you. It's not a ghost, and it's not a shadow. It's a digital twin. This is the most powerful secret in modern aviation, a perfect, 3D virtual mirror of the very aircraft you're sitting in. The science of connection. A modern jet engine isn't just metal and fire, it's a data factory. With over 5,000 sensors breathing through every turbine blade, the plane beams gigabytes of data to a supercomputer on the ground. This digital twin feels every vibration, every temperature spike, and every microscopic stress on the wings in real time. It lives the flight exactly as the real plane does. Predictive power though, why? But why do we build this digital ghost? Because it can see the future. While the real engines are humming peacefully, the digital twin is being pushed to its breaking point. In a virtual world, engineers subject it to 10,000 what-if scenarios. What if a bird hits? What if the oil pressure drops? What if a crack forms in the landing gear? The twin experiences the catastrophe so the real plane never has to. The end of broken. We've officially entered the era of predictive maintenance. We don't wait for things to break anymore. If the digital twin predicts a failure 50 hours from now, a technician is waiting at the gate to fix a part that looks brand new to the human eye. We are no longer repairing machines. We are preventing reality from failing. It's the reason why flight remains the safest way to travel in human history. The closing and engagement. We have moved from guessing to calculating, from hoping for safety to engineering it into every byte of data. The digital twin is the ultimate guardian of the skies. But here's the question. If the algorithm says a part will fail, but the human engineer says it looks perfect, who would you trust? Your life, or the data? Let's debate in the comments.